Hello and welcome to my channel The Molecular Sing, and today we are going to discuss a very important, very interesting topic which is known as the molecular gastronomy. So in very simple words, it is basically the combination of physics and chemistry which is used to transform the taste and texture of food, which was derived from the fusion of food science and gastronomic arts. So to know a little bit more about this, we should date back somewhere back to in 1988 when two physical chemists came up with a new concept which they termed as the molecular and the physical gastronomy. But this tend to only attract a few devotees. That is when the two demonstrated that understanding the science behind cooking can lead to new innovations and creative ideas in the food industry. That is when chefs and critics were attracted towards this concept. The most common question that arises on this topic is that how gastronomy works. So to understand this, we need to first understand a little bit about matters. So matter is usually classified into three parts, which is the elements, the compounds, and the mixtures. So an element is something that cannot be broken down into other parts. A mixture is the combination of two or more elements that is joined chemically, and a mixture is the combination of substances that are not mixed chemically. That is why all the food dishes are example of mixtures, and this is known as a collide. So long story short, you only need to remember that collides play a very vital role in how molecular gastronomy works. So a collide is a mixture of substances that are dispersed but not diluted in any substance, and the combination of two or more substances is known as a colloidal system. So somewhere on the screen you will see a collides table, but this table only shows you two states of matter, which is the liquid and gas and the solid and liquid. But in the food production industry, usually more than two states of matter is involved. That is why the colloidal system which is used in cooking is known as the CDS, which is the complex disperse system. So understanding collides was just the beginning, because molecular gastronomy takes advantages of various scientific aspects to create world-class dishes, and that's why a molecular gastronomist uses various techniques, various tools, and cooking principles to ensure that chemical reactions occur in food. And moving on to this topic, let me list few of the techniques, the tools, and ingredients which are used in this cuisine. So the quite a few popular techniques used are such as sous vide, sparification, you have jellification, you have flash freezing, you have foaming, you have cryo frying, you have molecular mixology, and many more. Quite a few tools that are used are such as food dehydrators, you have centrifuge machines, you have hypodermic syringes, you have tabletop distilleries, you have pH meters, you have a vacuum machine, you have an ultrasound machine, and many other miscellaneous tools also. Though techniques and tools play a very important role in the molecular cuisine, but this cuisine cannot function in the absence of the ingredients which are used to chemically transform the food. And these ingredients are such as agar-agar and methyl cellulose, which are the gelling agents. Uh, you have you have the uh, you have the emulsifiers such as the soy lecithin and xanthan gum. You have enzymes such as trans glutamase. You have sugar substitutes, non-stick agents, calcium lactate, and sodium alginate. In the second part of this video, I'll try to cover all the techniques, tools, and ingredients briefly. Signing off for now. Thank you for watching my video. And before leaving, please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.